we're gonna do Bob Dylan's North Country Fair. We're gonna do the arrangement he did in 1986. It's kind of a famous version. You can find it on YouTube. He kind of starts on the G, and it's kind of like he sounded like he's gonna go into Tangled Up in Blue. But anyways, well, if you're traveling to the North Country Fair, where the winds blow heavy on the borderline, remember me to one who lives there. She once was a true love of mine. That's pretty much the arrangement, and there's 5 verses, and they pretty much follow that pattern. So let's talk about it. What we're doing is, as I mentioned before, we're kind of 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 or 2, 3, 4. 1 or 2, 3 or 4. I think that's the rhythm. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. If you're traveling, all we're doing is taking a C in the open position, and we're just using it at the 3rd fret with our index finger, 5th fret with our ring finger, 4th fret with our middle finger, just like a C chord. We're just sliding it up. You can play all. I wouldn't play the 6th string, but I would play all 5 through 1. And this is the cool thing about this version. If you're traveling to the North Country Fair. So from this I think I would call it a D. It's like an open D. If you're traveling to the north, go to C, Country Fair, go to G. Where the winds blow heavy on the borderline. And now in the 3rd line, he goes to E minor from the G. Remember me, C, G. Then we go back to this D. She once was a true love of mine. And it continues from there. So that's the pattern. Now, one of the things with the rhythm is I think it begins a 1 stroke on G. If you're traveling to the North Country Fair. So quick change from where the winds hit heavy on the borderline. So I would just, practice that, and if you have to, you got to give something up. Just start on this shape. If you're going to the North Country Fair, just skip the G and start right on the D. But if you can, get that 1 hit of G. Okay, so that's a pretty simple arrangement. There's 5 verses. They all follow that format. And if you want, get yourself a harmonica and a little neck holder for it, and you can play a harmonica solo in there if you want. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy this beautiful song. Take care. Bye.